Hello everyone, today we will be seeing a speech on the topic hard work versus smart work. Good morning everyone. Today I wish to speak about a topic that shapes our approach to challenges. The age old debate between hard work and smart work. As we navigate the maze of responsibilities and ambitions, understanding the delicate balance between these two is paramount. Hard work, often seen as the bedrock of success, involves putting in persistent effort, dedicating countless hours to a task. It's the laborious journey, the grind that molds us. However, in our fast paced world, the importance of smart work cannot be overstated. It's about efficiency, strategy, and innovation. Working smartly is akin to taking a step back to analyze the best approach before diving into the task at hand. Consider a student preparing for exams. One might choose to memorize every detail, grinding through textbooks for hours, while other might adopt a strategic approach, focusing on key concepts and utilizing mnemonic devices for effective recall. The latter is an embodiment of smart work. As we stand at the crossroads of our educational journey, it's crucial to recognize that success often lies in the harmony of these two approaches. Hard work provides the foundation, the grit, while smart work adds finesse, ensuring that our efforts are not just vigorous but also strategic. In conclusion, let's embrace a holistic approach, blending the tenacity of hard work with the finesse of smart work. Together, they form the dynamic duo that propels us towards triumph. Thank you. Students, you can check out this article from our website also. I have provided the link in the description and the comment section. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.